What's up, guys? Hope you had a good 4th of July weekend. Today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put the bushings in on the control arms. Last week I went ahead and took them apart, burned the bushings, the old bushings off, and primed them and painted them. So what we're gonna do today is just try to press those bushings in. They're not that hard. I went ahead and started doing one of them, but we'll just go ahead and do this last one and go ahead and get started on the other one. So stay tuned. So like I had mentioned, it's pretty self-explanatory. This is not, I thought it was going to be harder than it was, and it's supposed to. But whenever you order, or if you order from Energy Suspension, it comes with an instruction manual, and just read what they recommend. But it's pretty self-explanatory. I thought I had to try to guess which bushing was what, but it literally comes with the serial numbers that you need to look for. The box is here. You look for, like for this last bushing I got for this, it's 3519. You just look on the side right here, it says 3519. No, sorry, the one I need is 3520 and 3520, and that's it. And then you find the sleeve that fits that bushing. Like I said, it's pretty straightforward. And then they supply you with a grease. You might want to wear gloves because this grease is not your typical grease. It's I forgot what they call it, but it's a very thick, sticky. It's really sticky, the grease itself. But so what I did, I grabbed this. When I burn them out, they don't burn completely true, meaning that they don't completely burn out the actual bushing, the old bushing. So I just took a metal brush on my drill and just drilled it out. I'll show you on the other one. But what I do is just grab this little bit of grease and then just grease the inside of the shell. But I've noticed that a little bit goes a long way, so you don't need to have the bushing encased and grease. Just a little bit, just enough to get a thin layer of grease on there. Like I said, this is very sticky, so make sure you wear gloves. And then what I just do is just wipe it off. And then you want to just manhandle it. It's gonna be hard because it already looks like it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Honestly, I was dreading this one because I know it was kind of thick on this. All right, we'll be back on this one. Alrighty, so as you can see, I got the last one in. It was kind of tricky. It was kind of sketchy with what I was doing. I'll show you in a minute my little rig I got going on, but I managed to put them all in. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that one. Go ahead and clean up the casings around it, and go ahead and start pressing the bushings. I think I'm gonna start with this one since it's the hardest on that one. So I can go ahead and these other two ones are pretty easy, so they're not too hard. But I'm gonna go ahead and put that over there. I'm gonna clean it up once I put it in the car or before I put it in the car. My last video, I got the subframe painted. It came out wonderful. I don't know if you can see it very well, And anywho, I got all that painted, got the brackets painted. So I'm, like I said, I'm working on getting the front suspension put in, finished, so we can go ahead and continue creeping on to the engine bay. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, clean the casings, and I'll get back to y'all once I get done with this. Alrighty, so I went ahead and got the casings cleaned up. So what you do next is, once you get all that casings finished, like I said, you don't have to take you don't have to make it polished or anything. Just gotta make sure it's a smooth surface. If not, it's gonna be really hard to try to get that bushing in there. But once you do that, what I like to do is just lay out my rags and whatnot. Lay out my rags, lay out my instructions just to make sure that I have everything. Yeah, I guess we could put it this way. Okay. So, because I know this one goes here, we're going to put that one there. And so for this one, the small one, we need 3881 for this one. And I'm gonna have leftover because it shows for a bushing for one of another suspension component, but I'm gonna end up replacing that whole piece anyway, so I'm not really concerned about that. I need 3518. 518 right here. Now I need 3519. 3519. 3882. 3882, and that's it for this, at least. Now let me get the dowels. That goes there. Boom. See, pretty self-explanatory. It's not. If you follow the instructions, you should be all right. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna press this one because that's the hardest one, and then I'll just do the rest. So I'll meet you up in my little rig I got going on. So all right, excuse the noise. We're outside. Anyways, if you don't have a press, you can do it with this. I got a standard car jack and my work truck. If you have a trailer hitch, you can probably do it with that. I'm just gonna do it like this. So how did I do it last time? I don't really know how I did. Oh, this I do remember. Okay, so you could use the jack as a press. I'm not gonna show you all of it. I'm gonna show you a quick little demonstration. Pretty much you put the bushing there, you line it up, and you jack it up, and it should press it in there. So I'll go ahead and do that. We'll do that now, and I'll catch you afterwards. Alrighty. So as I showed you last clip, I got it in. Once you get this in, the rest is pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. The dial, you do the same thing. If you want to put the sleeve, the whatever you call that, I don't know what you call it. Anyways, you can do it the same way. Just slide it in, line it up, and that actually goes a lot easier than the actual bushing. But nonetheless, I got it in. The other one's gonna be pretty easy. They're pretty. You can do it by hand, almost. So I'll go ahead and do that, and we'll finish this up. And just like that, we got them all in. Got them all in. That one is the hardest. Just gotta get like a, if you have a press, it should go 10 times easier. These go by hand. You may have to use a mallet, dead blow hammer. But other than that, they're pretty straightforward. Energy suspension makes really good bushings. So you can pretty much do it by hand if you have enough strength. If not, I use the enough strength, but I used a little bit of persuasion there. 1x6, I don't know, whatever that is, to put it on top, put your body pressure on it, and it just slides in. The grease comes a long way too. It comes with 2 of them or 1 of them depending on how many bushings you get. But I also bought the little tub just in case I decided to do the rear. But that may be later. I'm not really concerned about it. My main focus right now is the front, so that should be, the 2 little tubes should be enough. But anyhow, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you to all the people that subscribed. We're moving along. I know that I've said constant videos, but sometimes it gets hard to do all these videos constant, to come out here and record, because it's pretty hot. I don't feel like being out here. But anyways, thank you for watching again. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.